So, what if the key to solar's future was hiding in, of all places, the plastics industry?
See, scientists have this new type of solar cell that's just ridiculously powerful.
There's just one problem, a really big one. This amazing tech is super fragile.
But the solution, believe it or not, was right there all along.
We're talking about perovskite cells. They're crazy efficient but unstable, unlike today's silicone cells.
Basically, humidity, UV light, and heat. They just wreck these cells, causing them to fail. So here's the clever fix, an additive used to protect plastics, called a hindered amine.
So how does this tiny molecule work? Well, it's like a 3-in-1 bodyguard for the cell.
It grabs radicals, guides crystal growth, and even patches up tiny defects. Let's dive in. First up, it neutralizes those nasty little particles that sunlight creates.
Next, it's like a foreman, telling the perovskite crystals how to grow stronger.
And you can see the result. This new structure is way more resistant to moisture.
And for its third trick, it's like a road crew, patching tiny potholes that trap energy. You can literally see the difference. The treated film on the right is so much smoother. And that smooth surface, it lets energy flow freely instead of just getting lost.
Okay, so the big question, does it actually work? Well, the results are pretty darn impressive. Oh yeah, it's a clear win. The modified cell hits a much higher peak efficiency. And check this out. Under intense UV light, the modified cell, in red, just holds up way better. Same story with humidity, which is a huge deal for real-world use. It barely flinches.
But what about the biggest test of all? Long-term, non-stop operation.
You're not going to believe this. The treated cell stayed incredibly stable, keeping almost all its power. And it kept that up for more than 2,100 hours straight. Just wow. So what's the takeaway here? Honestly, this is a massive deal for the future of solar power. It just goes to show you, sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come from the most unexpected places.